What are you doing? Well, you were napping with Mama until she pulled out the phone, and then all of a sudden, the phone is the most interesting thing. You are so cute. Yeah. Can we keep napping? Boop. Can we keep napping? Oh, the phone is very interesting to you, huh? But if you keep tapping on the screen, they can't see you, and you can't see yourself anymore. What are you freaked out about? You're silly. You're silly. Give me a kiss. No? Okay. Okay, go back to sleep. Let's nap. Let's nap. Yeah, that's a good spot. Night night. Nap time.